Am I live? Is there anyone to approve me? Oh yes, I'm live, I believe. Hi, this is Debarpita. Today I'm all the way from my home. I do work with Holiday in Calcutta Airport, and it's a lockdown. I hope everyone is staying safe there at your place. Everyone is doing great, and everyone is staying safe, most importantly. So, how you all are doing? That's very important. And most importantly, staying in lockdown, having good food is very important. So I really need to thank Amul for this wonderful platform that every day someone or else are coming up with great recipes, and everyone is blasting it out. So I welcome you in my kitchen today. I'm shooting it from a small kitchen of my home. I believe there are so many things that I cannot show you up. It's a small kitchen. It's not a hotel. But let's see. We are gonna kick out here only. So we are gonna make basically today uh, eggless mango French toast with maple rubbery. So I tell you why I choose this. A mango French toast because it's a summer, it's a season of mango, and French toast is something desert, and we all always crave for it, right? So it's I thought to do a French toast, but not in a very traditional, conventional way, because as we all know. French toast, it do come from Rome, a lot of thing, but we'll do it in a very desi way, right? That's why we're gonna top it with a lot of maple rubbery. As we all know, for anything, I mean, any product or any food can be anything, right? You can just pair it with some great stuff. So if you talk about French toast, you can pair it with anything, maybe a fresh dollop of cream or whipped cream or some berry compote, maple syrup, honey, butter, jam. Even you can make it savory, but I think we will do it in our own way, Indian way, very desi way. We'll make rubbery, and that too, putting a maple syrup into it. So yes, we are gonna do, but yes, most importantly, we're gonna do it eggless. Now, why I thought about doing a French toast? See, like, when breads, we normally think that cannot be toasted well, it is little stale or it is little old, we cannot use it anywhere, we are not gonna eat it. Rather than throwing it off, we can make French toast with it, right? So I thought this lockdown, rather than throwing out old stuffs, we can, whatever we have at our home, we can just use it up, right? So we are gonna use some old breads which are there at my place for like past 1 day or 2 days. I'm just gonna use them, as normally you can use any kind of bread for your French toast of your choice. Someone can do it even the sourdough breads. I'm gonna do it with a plain white bread which were there at my home, and so I'll just kickstart with the recipe and cooking. I'll just wait for a little more time so that few more people can also join in, right? Hi everyone, I just forgot to say hi to so many old friends are there watching me out. Well, this is nice. So many comments are there just going, and I'm not able to read them all. A big hi to everyone, whosoever there. Hi Abhinav, Savitri, Urmila, Bhupesh ji, Kavita, Megdeep. Oh, he's my college mate. Nice. Yes. So another thing. In the meanwhile, I'll take 2-3 minutes before I kickstart. In this lockdown, it is very important to stay healthy, to eat healthy, and most importantly, to stay safe and hygienic. So as we all know, there's no gyan, but yes, you need to just wash your hand every time, and especially before you making food, you have to wash your hand. You just need to sanitize them, gonna wash them repeatedly, and that's it. Rest, it's almost like 3 months through the lockdown. We know most of the things, right? Yes, we are seeing that 264 people are already there. 264 people are there already watching us. All right. हाँ. Hello जी, hello सबको. Alright, so I'm gonna start. So many people are telling me that start it. Alright, so I'll hand it over to my father. He'll shoot the video for me. Yes. Alright, so first thing first, as I said, it is very important to wash your hand before you cook anything. So I'm gonna gently rub through my fingers, because I'm not gonna wear gloves while I cook the food. It does little bother me wearing a glove and work. So yeah, washing the hands. So yes, now, so the most important part here, I said that we are gonna make a rabdi. So I'll start with the rabdi, because rabdi is something which normally happens condensing a milk for a prolonged time. So we'll kickstart with that. Yeah. I'll just put a little water into it. Alright, so today we are using here Amul milk. It's Amul Gold. Yes. Amul products are awesome. Taste of India, right? So yes. I am gonna use almost like half liter of milk from it. Not more than that. Because we are gonna use it as a spread. We are gonna use the rabdi as a spread, right? Okay, now most importantly, I'll tell you what are my ingredients here. So, alright. So to make a mango eggless French toast with a maple rabdi, we are using, see, I have some mangoes here. So I already take out some pulp of mango. So some fresh mango pulp. Some maple juice, because it's a maple rabdi. I have already shown you that I'm using a Amul Gold milk. I have taken a little sugar, and I have taken some spices. See, I have taken here cinnamon and what do you call them? Nutmeg. Yes, nutmeg for flavoring. See, nutmeg and cinnamon are two things which we extensively do use for flavoring French toast. Classically, right? Though we are not gonna do it very authentically and classically, we're just gonna do it in our own way, Indian Desi way. But still, we are gonna use them because I think it's gonna complement the flavor of mango, right? Alright, so I'm gonna use Amul butter. We are using Amul butter here, and yes, because normally it is a concept that whenever you're making a French toast, you need to have egg with it, right? Eggs gives that, normally it's a concept that, oh, you need to keep on stirring it, otherwise it might get stuck to the bottom. So yes, isko hilate rehna padega time pe. I'll just not put the sugar right here right now. I'll take a little time to do that. Alright, so meanwhile, what I was saying, that because we are not using egg here, it's an eggless preparation. To get a crisp on the top, to get that brownish color on the top, make it a little crispy, and just a crunch for, we are using little baking powder here, right? We'll be using little baking powder, which actually give a coating on the top of the French toast, right? Alright, and few garnishes I have, that's it. So, and breads. Alright, I'm going to use little corn flour also here. Alright, so yes, we'll start. Now, see, normally people use the breads like this. They cut the bread 1 by 2, and they make a French toast out of it. But because it is our food, we are gonna do it in our style. I am just see, I didn't get a cutter. I just couldn't make a cutter. I couldn't find out a cutter for myself, so I have taken a katori, which has a very sharp edge. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna cut it like this, right? So it's not very conventional. We're just not gonna do something very conventionally. We're just gonna do it in our own style, right? And 2 I had done before words only. So yes, that's it. See, walking and cleaning your space is extremely important. You should always work and you should always clean your workspace. You know, walking and cleaning is very important. Now, we need to make the batter for ourselves, right? Okay. I'm just gonna transfer this to this. I'm just gonna put it here. Alright. Now, we are gonna take the base product of the French toast batter. That is the milk, which gives the body, which actually soaks into the stale breads, which are actually not stale, but yes. We are gonna take almost like, first, see, I'm taking 4 slices of breads, so we are gonna take a good 300 to 400 ml of milk right here. Okay, after then, because I said we are gonna use a corn flour, because it is eggless, to get a crunch we are gonna use corn flour. So I'm getting almost 1/2 teaspoon of corn flour into it. I'm just gonna mix it well. Alright, meanwhile, you need to take care of it. Now, normally, whenever you are making rabri, what is important is to put a lot of sugar into it, which gets the sweetness into the rabri. But here, we are just not gonna put the refined sugar, because the name is the maple rabri. So we are gonna put a generous amount of maple syrup into it. Alright? Along with this, I'll also put maple syrup. Is not that sweet that it's gonna really sweeten up the almost like 500 ml of milk. I am gonna put almost like another 100 grams of sugar inside it. We'll stir it nicely. How many minutes we have covered? 10 minutes are done already. Alright, so I do have time, right? Alright, so ऐसा है कि मिल्क के अंदर मेपल सिरप और चीनी जैसे ही आप डालो, आपको ये चलाते रहना पड़ेगा. आप ना इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते आंच पे. तो क्या होगा? At the bottom of your pan, the milk is gonna stop. You know, stick to the bottom of the pan, and then the flavor will be gone. और फिर रबड़ी का मजा नहीं आएगा. So it's gonna take a good amount of time. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our batter. Alright, so this is the milk. I have already put 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour into it. Now, it is time for the key ingredient. So, because it's a day of mango, it's summer, कोई कंजूसी नहीं करेंगे, और almost we'll put a good generous amount of mango pulp into it, right? So I have almost given almost like a 200 ml of mango pulp into it, and mix, nothing else. Alright, इसको भी चलाते रहना पड़ेगा. Very important. When you're walking in kitchen, whether it is in household or it is in a restaurant or you're walking in hotel, see, multitasking होना बहुत important है. Do I have any question meanwhile? Did anyone ask me anything? No questions for me? Okay. Alright, so I think the flavor of nutmeg goes very well with mango.
What is maple syrup? Maple syrup.
Alright, maple syrup is maple syrup is a condiment of whatever you say. Like, it's a classic accompaniment of pancakes, French toast. And the best of the maple syrup you do get from Canada. So yeah, so whenever you're going to Canada or whenever you're buying a maple syrup, try out for Canadian maple syrup. Alright, so as I think nutmeg goes very well with mango, I'm just gonna spice it up. Just need to rub. I just cannot tell you the exact amount. You'll just understand. You just need to give a little dash of cinnamon into it. Nutmeg into it. Another thing, I didn't actually. Alright, sorry. It's just a broadcasting malfunction happened very quickly. Yes. So what I was saying that I don't believe in making powder of cinnamon stick. What I'm gonna do is again, इसको चलाते रहना पड़ेगा. Full concentration in kitchen. Yeah. So yes, I'm just gonna take out little from here also. Just need to rub it. Enough. Alright. It's summer. Summer are hot, and Calcutta, though it seems to be like it's gonna rain very badly, but there is no rain. So it's hot. Calcutta is hot. I'm just gonna put a little more milk. आप जब भी रबड़ी बनाओ या दूध वाली कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा और धीमी आंच पे बनाना पड़ेगा. So yeah. So we are back here. See, French toast is something that, if you are just tiring out, you just want to have something, a sweet snacking, if you say, you just can have French toast. If you say about a Sunday morning, you're going for a, cheat meal or something to treat yourself for a breakfast, French toast can be a great option. So I believe you people will be trying this out at your home. Nothing much I'll put into it, right? Alright, now, before that, how many minutes we have covered? Alright, so, do anyone have any question? Anyone is asking me anything? Oh God, no one is asking me anything. Alright. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll first soak my breads into it. The batter we made, right? I just wanted to taste how does it taste. I think we can make it a little more sugary. So, normally to make French toast, we put honey in the batter, but we are putting maple syrup here. Now, I'll just try to find a plate for myself. Give me a moment. Yes, so I'm back. I'll not soak it too much. time to hit the pan. Hitting the pan is very important. Okay, it's getting hot now. I'm gonna put a decent amount of butter. And we are using Amul butter here. See why I do not believe in using sugar. Instead, I say that you can rather use maple syrup or honey or jaggery in your product, because they normally say, I don't say, most of the people who are experts for food, nutrition and health, they say rather than taking direct sugar, it is always better to have, and I think this is little excess butter, so I'm just gonna put it back. Yeah, so they always say that rather than taking refined sugar, it is always better to have sugar those are not so refined. All right. A quick dip of another bread goes into it. I've just put the flame low. And a quick dip of another bread. I think I can accommodate 3. Yeah. Oh. Just need to take some color, some golden brown color. See, it has started taking some color. मैं 3 से खुश नहीं हूँ actually. I'm gonna take another bread. Jugadu, see, I forgot to find and to get my cake mold, cutting mold. So मैंने एक शार्प एज वाला कटोरी ली. लॉकडाउन में यही तो बात है कि आपके पास जो भी चीज़ें हैं आपको उसी के सहारे चलाना है, एंड यू हैव टू मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. या यस, इसको चलाते रहिए धीमी आंच पे. फ्रेंच टोस्ट को पकाना है. सो लेट इट कुक. Alright, so in this case, I have used Amul Gold. So there are so many people who are conscious about their health. So if you don't want Amul Gold to be used, you can anytime opt for Amul skim milk also. Yeah, the fat concentration is very less in that. Alright. We'll just wait to make it to get it crisp. It's gonna take a little time. Meanwhile, I'll clean up my area. I said right earlier walking and cleaning your space is very important. Especially you're walking at your home, you're walking at the hotel, is very important. Anyways. Yes, let me see how much color it has taken. See, in so many cases, beforewards, people used to dip and soak the bread into the batter for a long time. Like overnight, in few cases, people used to dip the bread into the batter, especially into the milk, not batter, to be very honest, into the milk prior a day, right? So, yes. But we really don't soak breads for a prolonged time because then it's become very soggy. The crunchiness, actually goes up. I don't think my battery is gonna die. How much the battery is?
10% left.
Oh, it's enough. By the time we're gonna cook it up. Yes, it's taking golden brown color. What's the time? How much time we have covered?
Almost 20 minutes.
Alright. Yes. So, see. Yes. See, it's cooking. And yes, I'm here. Sweating it up badly. Meanwhile it's getting cooked, and I'll just again chalao the doodh for the. घर पे ना आप कभी मिठाई बनाओ या घर पे आप कभी दूध वाली कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ता है. Yes, so what I was saying, okay, so many friends and colleagues are seeing here. Yes, someone asked me, Mr. Jain asked me that butter salted hai kya? Yes, this is the regular Amul butter. So there is no need of, there is no need of using a salted butter or an unsalted butter. Doesn't really makes a much of difference here. Cooking French toast, right? Yes, I'll just see if any more. Okay, what Tonoy has asked, chef, apart from the Amul Gold, can we make it with Amul Taza? Absolutely. That's what I said. There are so many people who believe in making, who are very health conscious. So anyways, even with the skim milk also you can do it up. Alright, so I'll give it to the camera person. Alright, it's time to turn it back, because it has taken a nice golden brown color. See, ये भी कभी इतना जिद्दी होता है कि ढंग से टाइम पे पलटता नहीं है, और ये ढंग से टाइम पे पलटा नहीं है. And I'm not liking it. Yes. रबड़ी के लिए आपको दूध को चलाते रहना पड़ेगा. सी, आपको भली खुशबू ना है, बट दिस मेपल सिरप एंड शुगर इज गिविंग अ वेरी, what do I say, nutty woody flavor and an essence to the rabdi, which is little unusual. Yes, हम नॉर्मली रबड़ी खाते हैं मलाई देके, मलाई का परत वाला रबड़ी, पर ये रबड़ी ऐसे नहीं बनने वाली. Alright, so we are actually done cooking the French toast. The French toast is done. इससे ज़्यादा हमको पकाना है नहीं. We just need to get a crust on the top, a golden crust, which we already got, right? Now यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक है. वो ट्रिक ये है कि मैंने ना ये रबड़ी I made it prior, because रबड़ी बनने के बाद उसको थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ता है, so that it settles down. रबड़ी हमेशा अच्छा लगता है अगर आप कोई गर्म चीज़ के साथ ठंडा रबड़ी खाओ तो उसका मज़ा आता है. तो मैं इस शॉर्ट स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम में रबड़ी बना के हॉट फ्रेंच टोस्ट के साथ नहीं सर्व कर सकती थी. सो आई प्री मेड माई रबड़ी. सी, आई प्री मेड माई रबड़ी. तो ये दूध भी ना पकते पकते जब और कंडेंस हो जाएगा, it'll take another half an hour to condense it, to get it, वो परत पड़ने में वो जो थिकनेस हमको चाहिए उस कंसिस्टेंसी के लिए another a good 20-25 minutes चाहिए. जितना टाइम मेरे पास है नहीं आपको देने के लिए आज, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो गेट अ स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पे हम गैस को करेंगे बंद क्योंकि अपना रबड़ी तो बना हुआ है. नाउ दिस बैटर इज एक्सेस. We gonna do something with this later. No, basically, अभी हम क्या करेंगे? We gonna plate it. So, all right. Here I did one thing. I have already kept, see, मैंने एक आम का एक thin slice निकाल के रखे हैं for garnish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna just for the garnish, you know. घर पे भी कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है ना, कोई अच्छे तरीके से सजा के आपको फैंसी तरीके से खाना दे. यस, ऑलराइट. सो द बॉटम मैंगो पल्प जैसा है, वी शुड यूज इट लाइक दैट, जस्ट लाइक दैट, रस्टिक, नो एडिटिव शुगर, नथिंग विद इट. सो घर का प्लेट है, वैसा प्लेट नहीं है जैसा मुझे चाहिए था, बट यस, इसी में करेंगे. So we are gonna make a round base for this. Now, where is the tong? Yes, here do it come. What I'll do is, it is not so applicable. So what I'll do is, I'm gonna put the first mango French toast onto it. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a generous amount of rubbery in between it. Maple rubbery. Right. Here comes the next one. We are just gonna layer it on the top of it. Again, we are gonna put decent amount of rubbery on the top. अब मुझे maple syrup पसंद है, तो even I'll put little maple syrup. And then the third one. So basically, give me a moment. As you know, chef says, काम करो, अपना एरिया क्लीन करो, वही चल रहा है. So yes, so this is it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a funnel of rabdi on the top. See, there is already a mango pulp. I have already used a generous amount of mango pulp into the French toast. That's why I'm not again chopping up the mango and putting in between of the layers and slices of the breads. But if you still want chunks in your mouth, mango chunks in your mouth, you anyways can do that. I think nothing should be over the top. Mango is dominant here, so there are too much mango and mango pulp is there, but no mango chunks. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a Conan. Yes. And anyways, what can be a better garnish than mint on the top? और इसके बाद भी अगर आपको और मीठा चाहिए इसके साथ, see, I already said that though I'm not very slim, that's why I don't prefer eating up too much of sugar. That's why I try to keep the minimum sugar balance into it. So, oh, the key ingredient is here also. I've forgotten about it. Yes. So yes, शायद किसी को लगेगा, in lots of cases we normally do put a lot of we drizzle a lot of powdered sugar on the top of it, by side to it. We even use, so many people, they do like to have butter, melted butter along with it, but lockdown का बाजार है, health conscious भी रहना है, so nothing should be over the top, as I do always say. तो ये ready है अपना maple flavored rabdi along with the eggless mango French toast, right? So here all you get the fresh fruitiness of the mango, रबड़ी के मिठास, बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट भी नहीं, क्योंकि मेपल सिरप बहुत स्वीट नहीं होता है. There's a woodiness into it that is there, a freshness of mint, and though I always said, if you had a sugar binge, please hang on to it, bang on to it, eat it, just enjoy it. And yes, I always do say, I do work with Holiday in Calcutta Airport, so whenever you're coming to Calcutta, you do come, I'll make another great things for you like this, and we can sit and we can enjoy, right? Alright, so I'll just camera, see. Yes. Rima says yummy. Rima, I'll treat you someday, don't worry about it. So many friends are there. I think I have done it quite fast. Did I? Or I have taken more time? I don't know. I think I have made the recipe with a stipulated time. Yes, what else? Ask me something if you want to ask me. Yes, someone asked me that when we will use the baking soda. Now here, because though I have kept the baking soda with me, but I didn't use it. I didn't use it because when I made the batter, when I added the corn flour, the consistency was fine, and we didn't. It was not required to use a baking soda anymore, so I kept it, but I didn't use it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that in this recipe it was the batter was perfectly alright, so I didn't use it. Alright, so what else? Anyone has any question for me? Chef Joyanto is giving me tali. Oh, he's a master for all the classes. Great man. Rima is feeling hungry. Don't worry, Rima. The dish name, Miss Neha is asking me what is the name of the dish. So today, as I said, I'll show you again. We have made eggless mango French toast with maple rabdi. So बहुत झटपट बनता है. इसमें कोई rocket science नहीं है. It's easy peasy, very fast. You can make it for yourself, and that's it. You can have it in the breakfast, you can have it for your snacking, कभी भी मन करे बनाओ खाओ, बहुत झटपट बनेगा. Even for the kids also, I strongly believe, not even kids, even the adults will also love it.
Mayur Ganguly is asking whether this can be made with the brown bread or not.
Yeah, Mayuri, you asked me that whether it can be made with the brown bread or not. Absolutely. As you are a diet freak, I know you are very health conscious. Absolutely, you can make it out with. See, like I had white bread available at my home. A lockdown just couldn't make up so many things at my place. So yes, if you want to make it with your brown bread, you go ahead. Even if you want to make it with sourdough bread, you can go. Anything, even with French loaf also you can make it. So basically, it came in the 17th century in the Rome, where the concept was not to throw out the stale breads. So anyways, it's like a milk pounded, overloaded, eggy bread, because most of the time the concept is to make the French toast with egg batter. What else? Any more question? Chef Joyanta, thank you so much. Instead of maple syrup, what else you can use? See, I use maple syrup because somehow I feel that maple syrup is a very strong accompaniment for French toast, or the kind of products, dishes we use for breakfast, pancakes, these and that. It's a very strong accompaniment. So because I have a very dominant flavor of mango already there, I don't want to give a separate maple syrup by the side, so I have used maple syrup inside the rabdi. So instead of maple syrup, you can, as I said, you can use jaggery. That can be something, it can come out something to be a very different stuff. You can use jaggery, you can use brown sugar instead of refined sugar, a lot of things, anything, any sugar based stuff, even a sugar free. If someone is having diabetes, to make a rabdi, even you can have sugar free and you can make it.
Neha is asking where you are working.
Alright, Neha, I'm working with, see, I'm wearing the badge of my hotel. I'm working with Holiday in Calcutta Airport. So, yes. Santu Ghosh is giving me tali. Thank you. I missed your recipe. How can you see it? You can anyway see it. Anyways, it will be gonna there in the page of Amul. So, anytime you're gonna see it, or you can watch it through my page, my Facebook page. Any more question? Do I have any more question? A fast recap. Someone asked me a fast recap, so I'll give a fast recap. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने आज बनाया है मेपल रबड़ी. रबड़ी बनने में टाइम लगती है, तो मैं सबसे पहले बोलूँगी आप रबड़ी पहले बनाओ, और रबड़ी पहले बनना शुरू होनी चाहिए. जैसे कि मेरे पास यहाँ पे बहुत स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम था, मैंने रबड़ी प्रायर बना के रखी थी, बट दो आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. Okay, then the next very thing is you have to cut your bread. Now most of the places they cut, you can just give any shape to your bread, right? मुझे बहुत conventional वो एक triangle shape नहीं चाहिए था. I just want to do it in a very different way, so I cut it out, right? आप बिल्कुल कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको राउंड करना है, मैंने राउंड किया. Okay, so after cutting the bread, आपको बैटर बनाना है. जिस बैटर में आपको you need to use the Amul milk. I have used the Amul Gold milk here. Along with that, मैंने fresh mango pulp निकाल के रखे थे. So I have used a fresh mango pulp. Then I have used, because it's an eggless recipe, to give the crisp to it, I have used corn flour into it, so that ऊपर का वो जो एक color आया brownish for the crust, I've used corn flour. And yes, then I have for the spices I've used nutmeg and cinnamon, just a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg into it. And then I use a little maple syrup, because when I tested मुझे लगा थोड़ा मिठास होनी चाहिए, आम उतनी sweet नहीं थी. Alright, so you just need to whisk it nicely, just need to whisk it, and then very fast you need to hot up your pan. After your pan is being heated up, just put little butter. It should be spread evenly. Butter evenly spread हो जाएगा, melt हो जाएगा. उसके बाद आप अपने bread को batter में dip करो. Dip it nicely, let it soak the batter, take it out and put it in the pan where you're cooking it, right? Using the Amul butter आपको cook करना है. just you need to get the color. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. It will start getting a very brownish tone on the top, you know. So आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि वो चीज़ें पकनी शुरू हो गई है. And then turn on the opposite side. Then you see both the sides got the color, got the crisp. You'll understand it is done. And yes, पूरा खाना आपको बनाना है धीमे आंच में. In this entire process, we are not gonna use high heat. Even in making in the rabri or making the French, where you're cooking the French toast, none of the time you're gonna use up high heat. We're just gonna make it in a shallow heat. Slowest of the heat of our normal household gas range. Yes. So after then, once you're done, आपको फटाफट, क्योंकि मुझे मैंगो बहुत पसंद है, I have put a generous layer of mango as I'll just show you again. मैंने इसके बेस पे मैंगो का एक बेस बनाया था, मैंगो पल्प का एक बेस बनाया था. Then like a sandwich, I just topped it up. I topped it up one after another. मेरे पास 3 ब्रेड्स था, मैंने उसको स्टैक किया और हर एक ब्रेड के बीच में मैंने रबड़ी डाली है. So that like if you cut the bread, you will. So if you cut the bread, आप अगर फ्रेंच टोस्ट काटते हो, आपको रबड़ी, वो फ्लेवर, मैंगो का टेस्ट सब कुछ मिलेगा. So we stacked it up. I have put for the garnish. See, I have put a slice of mango on the top. Yes, and a dollop of रबड़ी. रबड़ी को बना लेने के बाद ना आपको फ्रिज में डाल देनी है कि वो एकम्पनी करे आपका हॉट फ्रेंच टोस्ट के साथ. कोल्ड रबड़ी एकम्पनी करे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड देन फॉर सम फ्रेशनेस, ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, जस्ट पुट सम मिंट ऑन टू इट and we are good to go. Thank you so much. Thank you for, there are so many, still there are 97 people who are watching me out. Thank you so much for attending this session with me. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much, Amul, that you called me out. And yes, I'm working with Holiday in Calcutta Airport. Anytime if you do visit Kolkata, anytime you want to meet me up, if you want to catch up for some good food, please do come to Holiday in Calcutta Airport. I'm going to say it again and again. All right. So yes, thank you so much. I hope to see you soon with another recipe. I hope Amul is going to call me up again. Thank you so much. And stay healthy, stay fit. Lockdown season. Try to use most of the things you have at your place. Please don't waste stuff. So many people, they are not gonna not able to get food. So many people are suffering. So we are gonna, the concept in the lockdown is to make homemade recipe, easy peasy, making with the least effort, making with least ingredients, झटपट बन जाए, खाने में मजा आए और सब खुश हो जाए. That is the thing. Thank you so much, Debarpita. This is Chef Debo signing off. This is Chef Debo signing off. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon.